करते हैं.
Ladies and gentlemen, and now, can I please have the pleasure of calling up on stage the Tsarina of content in this country. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Ekta Kapoor. Hi. All right, we'll be here. Can I please pass the mic to? Yeah, thank you so much. Hi, and welcome to the stage. Sabse pehle, I'm going to put you in a very hard position. I like hard positions, Ekta. Let me just tell you that, yeah? Okay? So I just want to say that. The hard position I'm going to put you in, hashtag 20-year challenge. इन दो प्यार में से अगर आपको एक चुनना होता तो आप कौन सा चुनती?
इन दो प्यारों में एक I choose him with the 9 badams and half of in the whole show, and I've seen it. I think he has the maximum confidence. There's one fantastic scene where he has 2 really big billboards that says, "I'll take both of you on."
Awesome. Of course, 2 shows, you know, in one on one stage. What an epic idea. In dono shows ke piche, you've been the force and, of course, the light behind it. Tell me the
I'm
love.
just the channel. The light behind both the shows are the writers, Jaya Mishra, the producers, Mukta. On this side, it's my little boy, Vikas, who's now spending most nights in my house. So, yeah.
Can we call them up on stage right now? Vikas
Mukta,
is already here.
Jaya,
Suyash.
please come. Suyash, of course.
Yeah. Jaya.
And of course, Kapil, who doesn't look like a director, looks like an actor.
All right. So tell us a little bit more about the love you have for season 2 first.
So actually, Kehne Ko Humsafar did very, very well on our app. In fact, it got so much love. And it was quite shocking because it was one story which dealt with Indian, the other side of love. It was about a woman who fell in love with a married man. And we tried our best to justify all kinds of loves. And people understood the complications of a relationship where in today's times you never get all of anyone. And so I was very happy to do a 2nd season, and I think it's even more complicated this time.
I know you're loving the fact that it's so complicated, right?
I usually like complicated.
I know that. This is fun. Okay, let's talk about simpler times then, when you were in high school, Ekta. First
I wasn't really in high school. I started working very young.
What do you think about the high school of today?
You know, it's extremely aspirational. I think when I see this show, I actually feel, I mean, इसमें कुछ realistic नहीं है. Don't expect anything realistic. But it's such escapism for young India. And I think that's also a big art. Vikas has done it very well. He's brought in beautiful looking people, and their problems are little first world, but they're also real. Because somewhere, you know, you need to escape when you're young into a world where you feel. So it's like, I personally think it's extremely good looking. When we watch the show, sometimes we're even shocked at how good looking this crowd is. Yeah. And Vikas, of course, has put them without shirts in nearly every scene. I'm like, it's like 103 6-pack abs roaming around. Priyank is fantastic in the show. He is fantastic. His layering of a character it shocks me how good you are. I mean, it's your first big work. I'm quite shocked because I've seen you in non-fiction a lot. But I couldn't believe you're such a good actor.
And he's such a dish. It helps.
Yeah, he's a dish.
And he's a
good
dish,
actor.
yeah.
That's quite a combo.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sid
Hello,
is so good. I mean, he's also fantastic. Harshita is good. The new girls are good. You are my friend, are my favorite. You are my favorite, and you are, again, going to be a big star. And I actually love this crowd. And, of course, he, with his... I have 9 badams. I can fight anyone. I think it's fantastic that Vikas has also worked. I swear on you, there's a lot of layering, there's a lot of characterization, and beyond just being looking aspirational, you actually fall in love with the characters. But the surprise packet of the show is going to be Sameer Soni. Yes.
Yeah. Whoa!
Completely. And Nikki Walia.
I absolutely hate him. After this show, I absolutely hate him.
You have to say a few words, Sameer.
No, it's just a great pleasure. I'm going to thank Ekta and Vikas for casting me. Probably the most exciting role I've ever done in my life, and I've been itching to do something like this. And I don't think anyone's ever seen me do this before. So thank you, Vikas. Love you for that, Ekta, always.
But you
Wow.
know, on this one, we were so hesitant that Sameer sir would say yes to this because he's never played a father on screen. And when we,
So evil.
yeah, and so evil. And we're just so thankful, sir, that you did agree to do this one.
Can I please call on Parth? Where's Parth? Parth, why aren't you on this stage with
Parth,
us?
you come with us.
Why you want a
part
special
of Balaji
invitation?
and
Come
Lost
on.
Boy, so you come in just to say hello. Come on. I have to say one thing. Parth has come into Kehne Ko Hum Safar Hai for one scene. And there are more people asking me about Parth than anything else. I am quite shocked. So we have added one more scene of you. Because otherwise we'll get massacred by your fans.
Fabulous. I'm going to ask you now to turn around. And of course, now the spotlight, though it can never be shared really, we're going to shift it to you. Would you kindly come forward, Mona? Thank you. Thank you. Just here would be lovely. Thank you so much. I want you to actually tell them the same sort of kind words and love because they've been with you much longer.
Actually, they know that. Actually, I've been always saying it. Ronit has done this show for like 2 seasons. Every time I think that, you see him and you realize that it's understandable why 2 women are fighting over him. It's very understandable.
Woo!
It's very fightable. Very, very realistic. And
Ronit, you should respond to
be
that.
like him after you grow up, you know that, na? This is what I want, the 20-year
20-year
challenge.
challenge! You have to respond to that.
That's fantastic. Mona is unbelievable. She metamorphosizes into characters. I mean, in Ye Meri Family, she was playing a mum who was completely conservative, and now she's playing this absolutely a go-getter woman who fell in love, made a decision, and now she's questioning the decision. So it's interesting to see Mona in the show. She's actually done a fantastic job. Gurdeep has come across as the most vulnerable character of the show.
Gurdeep, where are you? Hi. Yeah.
Come here, Gurdeep. I will walk like this. And it's unbelievable. Appu provides the other side. I mean, Ronit also has to get insecure in the show. And he does that job very well. I think, but this show, Kehne Ko Hum Safar Hai, is got nothing to do with me. It is 99.9% the acting, the writing by Jaya and Mukta, and the direction by Kapil. I think he is... You will be shocked to know how good looking our director is. Please come in front. Please come right here. This is the kind of...
Why are the good-looking ones so shy? Yeah?
This is the kind of eye candy we provide the women on the set. Good-looking actors, good-looking directors, it just works. They give an extra hours. And of course, it helps that you're so talented. But your good-looking is your first big.
Your first virtue is that you're good. You're pleasing on the eyes.
So I have to say, both these shows have had so much excitement. We are clearly, we've done pretty decently as an app, thanks to you guys. And all the promotion you gave us, which was quite shocking because we were an Indian app and there were so many international apps, but we got so much love from the media. So thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Aww. Ekta, thank you so much. You're the reason why we're all on this stage right now. And I'm going to ask, of course, my wonderful, good-looking, fabulous cast to say a few words, starting with you, sir.
Well, Ekta just said that she's given everybody credit, but I'd like to say that it is her who, she
This is
brings
looking like an
everything
award function.
together.
Please, no talking about me. Talk about the
Then
show.
I have to say it because, the vision is put in by her. And then, of course, she brings, so much talent, Jaya and Kapil sir and everybody, to bring it together. But it's her vision through and through. I don't know about Punchbeat, but at least on our show, I can clearly say that it's her vision through and through.
Wow. Mona, would you please say a few words?
I'm really happy that the app is doing super duper well. It just, it's just been a year that it was launched, or maybe a year and a half. Everybody's talking about the app, our show, Kehne Ko Hum Safar Hai. It was absolutely shocking to know that every woman in the, at the kitty parties were discussing our show. And I was really overwhelmed. Ekta's vision was absolutely brilliant. I remember when she called me and she offered me the role, it was shocking because nobody would have
Mona,
thought of me
stop
like
talking
that.
about me.
No, seriously, nobody would have thought of me like that to play the other woman. You know, they want me to usually play the wife. So thank you. Thank you for believing in me.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Gurdeep.
Gurdeep, if you talk about me, I'll faint.
Of course, I have to.
No,
I hardly get chances to
guys,
talk about you.
Aw.
Thank Ekta.
Please.
So
This is
here
like
my
Embarrass
chance
Ekta
again.
Day, right?
This is
Chance
not
to.
an
So,
award function.
Thank you, Balaji, all Balaji, Ekta Kapoor, for really believing in me that I can do Poonam. Okay, so when Poonam happened, I was like, I'm playing the same thing again. But guys, second season is my new beginning, and I'm excited. Not a single day, I have felt that I am working because of the writing and direction, and of course, Ekta's vision. Thank you so much, all Balaji.
You know, we've heard from the cast, and now I think we must hear from the directors of both the shows. Sabse pehle, of course, can I
Both the
please-
good-looking directors.
Yes, would you please say a few words? Step up, please. Thanks.
As you see, we've chosen another good-looking director. We don't stop there.
It's like a director's closet you have, huh? Come, stand here.
I actually first wanted to congratulate Punchbeat. It looks fantastic. So Vikas and Ekta again, of course. I guess I had a slightly easier job. These guys are at season 1. We had season 2. For me, it was a privilege to be working again with these guys. Season 1 kind of finished, and personally, I didn't think we had much more of a story to tell. And then Ekta called us into a meeting and gave us this banging twist, and that became season 2. And of course, it's always, like I said earlier, a privilege to work with this fine, talented cast that trusts me and I trust them. So we've had a lot of fun, and hope you guys have as good a time watching it as we had making it.
Thank you.
First of all, thank you, Ekta ma'am. Thank you, Vikas, for giving the opportunity.
Press conference. This is not a thank you.
No, this is the only time.
Guys, let's talk about the show.
This is the only time I'll be nice to Vikas. Otherwise, we keep fighting. So. But thank you so much. It's been brilliant. I have thoroughly enjoyed this. Thank you for pushing me, as always. Every show looks good because of the team behind it. And I would like to thank, in our case, it's a good-looking DOP and not a director. Please come forward.
Oh God, Ekta, why is every guy on this show so good looking?
We have a good-looking cinematographer also.
The most good-looking
We have a really
good looking DOP, yeah.
We have a really good-looking DOP as well.
App challenge started from him. So he has the app, Priyank has the app, Siddharth has the app.
Punchbeat is बच्चों का 300.
The cast has been brilliant. Thank you, guys. Thank you for bearing with me. Thank you for all that I've put you through. Boxing, dancing, fighting. Thank you so much. Priyank, you've rocked. You've killed it. Nikhil, your sense of humor, like Ekta ma'am said, is brilliant. Kaju, you're, like I said, you're my lucky mascot. Sindhuja, you, every time you come on screen, we stop the screening and we start laughing. You've been brilliant, Kushi. Siddharth, my buddy, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Of course, there are requests that we want to
And
hear.
Samir, sir, I'm so
Samir,
sorry.
come on. Samir, step up in the front. At least let's look at you, yeah. We've been loving you since 20 years. That's the real hashtag 20-year challenge, first of all. Thanks, yeah. Hey, that also means that I'm also that old. But hey, old is sexy. You know that, right?
Well, I hope so.
Yes, you must say a few words about being sexy. I mean, about the show.
The show, oh God, I think everybody said everything. I think this is the future, guys. The reason I was standing in the back, but this is honestly, I'm in awe of all these people. They're really brilliant. They work so hard, and forget the physical aspect of it. And I see in Siddharth and Priyank and him, this is superstars, really. I feel it's a privilege for me to be the older guy here. And thank you, Vikas and Ekta. Ekta always brings out the best in me, and she knows how to cast me. So, yeah, I'm really excited about the show. And guys, well, do support them, I guess.
Thank you, Samir. Thank you so
sir.
much.
Thank you.
Because everyone's talking about you. You have to say a few words now. Come on. Finally. And not in Ekta's ears, huh?
And you have to say about the show, not about anybody else.
The two people who are not on stage right now, one's Nikki Walia, and she's in London, and she has given so much time and energy to this character called Maya. And our lead actress, Harshita, is shooting for a film, and she wasn't able to be here, and she's really wanting to be here, and we couldn't come. From all the team, and I would like to say this, we had shot for 3 days, and we had gotten the footage back,
And I think the cost of the show at that point of time was 1/25th the cost right now. And when Ekta saw the footage, हमारी footage लग गई थी. Because, you know, when everyone keeps talking about vision, vision का मतलब बहुत बड़ा होता है. And that meaning I have always learned from her. And it is after that, that's important to know that those 3 days, entire shoot was canned, and we restarted all over again. The show took a year and a half to make, and you will realize it after you watch the show. It's not the first episode or the second episode. It'll be the 10th and the 12th that you will see the magnitude of the vision that came from her. Yeah.
I have to tell you, Vikas comes to me when I was making the show. He said, "थोड़ा wait करना पड़ेगा मैम." I said, "क्यों?" He said, "वो प्रियांक बिग बॉस में जा रहा है, तो वो जब आएगा तब हम उसके साथ शूट करेंगे." I said, "Okay." बाद में ये खुद बिग बॉस में घुस गया. I was like, at least writing the whole thing.
Oh my God, yeah.
I said, I was more than anyone waiting for both of them to come out. कि we can start Punch Beat.
कब बाहर निकलेंगे?
कब eliminate होंगे?
पर नहीं हुए, फिनाले तक चले गए थे.
Well, can I please have Pooja Banerjee to say a few words? Hi, Pooja.
अरे यार पार्थ को भी लाओ.
Parth, yeah, both of you step forward, yeah.
I got to thank again. Oh, cut, copy, paste.
Cut, copy, paste, yeah. Thank you.
बोला.
Especially Ekta ma'am's part is cut, copy, paste.
Cut, copy, paste. I'm telling you, okay? And about the show, about Bani, I'll just talk about Bani. Till date, I think I've never played such a crazy character who's always on the forefront, takes the decisions, goes against the father, goes against the mother, takes a stand. I think that's a great character that I got a chance to play Bani. And season 2, of course, it's the same thing, you know, thinking whether I did something wrong or was the marriage a mistake. So I think it's a great character as Bani. I'm sure you guys must have loved it. I really love playing Bani, and बाकी तो चलता ही रहेगा. पार्थ तुम बता दो, तुम्हें मेरे साथ शूट करके कैसा लगा?
कितना बड़ा भयंकर कैरेक्टर प्ले किया है, क्या डेप्थ लेकर आए हैं कैरेक्टर के अंदर.
जो मुझे लोग पूछ रहे हैं, please stop. I am tired of answering what Parth is doing in the show.
So yeah.
Advancing under pressure.
So like Pooja said, this is the first time that she experienced such a wonderful experience, and I, for the first time, had a cameo role to play. So for me, it was a surprise, and I went there. I read my character, and when I met Pooja, of course, being playing sister brothers in some other show, and then coming along and facing each other as
ए रात को भाई बना है, रात को भाई.
और फिर यहाँ पर वापस हम लोग रोमांस कर रहे हैं और बाद में जाके वापस भाई बहन बन रहे हैं. तो yes, but I enjoyed. I had a good time. It was a good change for me, and I hope that कहने को हम सफर है season 2 rocks, and as well as Punch Beat. As well as Punch Beat, because it's looking fabulous. The look is fabulous. You guys are looking beautiful and handsome as ever. So
thank you. That's amazing. Very kind of you.
शुक्रिया.
The thing about Bani, ठीक है भूल जाओ. अभी कहने को हम सफर के बारे में, I would like to tell one thing which I told everybody. There are so many people who have walked up to me and openly told me that, you know, we are in a similar situation. We want to get, you know, we want to go through a divorce, but we always get stuck thinking about the child. So we want to know what is up to Bani, like what Bani going to do. So I think it's actually a reality. So many people are in this situation, and I think it's brilliantly done by all the actors over here. So thank you.
Thank you both of you. Can I please have a word now from Apurva? Apurva, where are you? Hi. Hi. See, I knew this, which is why I just turned this around, you know. Where is he?
He's having lunch.
Apurva, are you here? Maybe he'll join us. Maybe he'll be back in a minute. Jayaji, would you please step forward, take the mic, and say a few words, because it's so much fun to meet someone on the stage like yourself. Thank you.
Are you seeing how good looking our writers are?
Woohoo! Nailing it.
So, कहने को season 1 was the first show that I ever wrote with Ekta, and now Alt Balaji has become a home for me. She is the best collaborator I've ever worked with.
Cut, copy, paste. Cut, copy, paste.
The writing is so much fun. We have so much fun in that conference room where we jam, we fight, and we just like are on the same page by the end of it. And what a cast, and what a director. So it's like
You know, I'm having so much fun just being in the middle of all this. I'm sure my friends from the media would have questions. And to your favorite